Do 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 do.
Ladies, what a joy it was to meet with you yesterday and for us to just sit together and talk about Quench 2012. I shared with you my heart yesterday, and I'm just so excited to see you there. I'm asking you to register this week and also register your friend, your family members, and all that God has placed on your heart. Remember, 2 is better than 1. Ecclesiastes 4:9. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. And this year we have the great Sister Elizabeth Shivers as our speaker. You don't want to miss what she has to speak to you about. And you don't want to miss what Dr. Jeffers, the great apostle and great prophet of the Lord, has to speak to us ladies about. And you don't want to miss what Dr. Mormon has to help us gain understanding fully as women of who we are and to help us to continue to walk with God. Thank you so much for coming, and I look forward to seeing you there. God bless you.